Hello everyone. It's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations for Spectrum Art Creations Academy. I wanted to share some highlights of the latest workshop where we are working on making these amazing versatile projects, which can be cards, so card makers will love them, can be folios. They can also be inserted into your existing journals. They can also be notepads, which are great for mass making as gifts or for selling in your stores or live craft shows. And they can even be journals. They have interactive layers for journaling, adding pictures, pockets, and so much more. We hope that you will join us at the Academy for the full step-by-step tutorial, and it's loaded with tips and tricks and chit-chat and product highlights, including a brand new digital which is now available for instant download in our Etsy store. Now, as a bonus, Academy members enjoy the discount code too. So make sure that if you're a member for a limited time, you check out the description box for your discount code in the full tutorial in the Academy. Now, if you are not part of SACs Academy, we hope that you will consider joining today, because for a flat monthly fee, and we're talking about a cup of coffee, you can get access to this class right here and other bonus content, plus exclusive perks and so much more. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to leave a link where you can go and check out the Academy and find out more. I'll also place a link in the description box to make it easy for you guys. Now, if you're watching on YouTube, there is also a join button if you're watching on a PC or computer available right underneath of this video. But I do hope that you guys will reach out to us and let us know if you have any questions. But of course, that you join us for the making of this super fun project. Now, the project is not only something that you can alter and make into different projects, but you could also use any paper line you like to create. So whatever you have in your stash, or if you want to specifically make it for, say, a baby shower or for Christmas gifts, this would be an ideal project for that. You can alter it for any season or any occasion, including even different themes like steampunk or Mother's Day. So it's extremely easy to work with, and you can use what's already in your stash. Of course, again, the video is going to have lots of tips and ideas for you in order to inspire you, and we can decorate it to our heart's content, because the possibilities for decorations and additional interactive features are endless. So of course, we hope that if you are not already in our Facebook group, that you will go ahead and join that, and of course post your creations, because if you make some of these, we love for you to share them, or go to the Facebook group and check out what other folks are posting as well. That's Spectrum Art Creation Friends. Any of the products featured in this video and in the classes, of course, are available in our online stores. SpectrumArtCreations.com is our main store, and of course our Etsy store has tons of different products as well, and they're both updated on an almost daily basis. We hope that you will join us for our live sales as well. If you have never joined us, you definitely want to set a reminder on your phone to join us every Saturday, typically starting around 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, for our live sales. They're a blast. You get to see product live, chat live, shop live, and of course join in games and giveaways and make new friends as well. And of course, like I mentioned, that you will subscribe to the channel, join the Academy for all of these reasons and so much more. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of time here with us. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the description box, and we hope to see you soon at the Academy. You guys have an awesome creative day. Bye now.